So, hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to today's session of reasoning, day number 3, especially based on SBI Clerk Prelims examinations. Okay, so mock test 1 elago ayipindi kabatti. So, today we are going with mock test number 2. Okay, so hero session lo we will go with a few other examples which are very important for your clerical pre-examinations. Not only for SBI, it can be IBPS, RRB, PO, as well as IBPS, PO or clerk, whatever it is. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start today's session. Okay, so example number 1 of the day. Good evening, Balu. Good evening. Hope everything is fine and clear. So today let's go for question number 1 of the day, right? So look at this particular question. Just see and tell me what does your particular answer say. Right, I am very good, Balu. I hope everything is fine with you also. So just look at this question. In the word chlorine, how many pairs of letters have same number of letters between them as in the word, as between them in the word as in English alphabet? So same anna, many anna, you can take same, no problem. So what is the word? Chlorine is the word. So CHLORINE. So this is that particular word, right? So these kinds of questions you can go with respect to counting of letters or counting of numbers. So I am going with counting of numbers by taking positions. C position 3, H position 8, L position 12, 15, 18, 9, 14 and 5. So ఇక్కడ చేయాల్సింది ఏం లేదు, just count the numbers, that's it. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, no. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, no. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, no. 18, 19, 20, 21, no. 9, 10, 11, no. 14, 15, nothing. So forward, you cannot find anything. As he has given nothing, we need to go with backward also. Why? Because nothing is specified here. So if nothing is specified, you need to go along with forward as well as backward. Okala nenu backward check cheste 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, no. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no. 9, 10, 11, 12, you can take this as a pair like I, J, K, L, simple. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, no. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, no. 15, 16, 17, 18, no. 12, 13, 14, no. 8 tarvata next 9. So nothing. You can find only one pair. Okay. So that's why the answer for this particular question will be absolutely 1. Option C. Adi kuda specifically you got only in backward, not in forward also. Okay. So in forward is 0. In backward it is 1. So total you can say 1 pair. Simple. Similarly, look at this particular question. Let's see what does your answer say based on blood relations based question. So quickly check cheyandi okasari answer em vastundo. So there are 7 members in a family of 3 generation. Okay, A is mother of P. So blood relation based puzzles kabatti definitely you need to draw family tree, right? A is mother of P. So A is mother of P, simple. P is brother of G. So P is brother of G. K is married to G. That means K and G are married couple. So G gender telidu implies K gender I don't know, but make sure that G and K are married couple. S is aunt of M. That means M should have a parent. That parent's sister will be S. So aunt means it can be paternal aunt or maternal aunt. No idea. Chuddam. Still we have points. K is child of L. So K is child of L. Here he has given child. Means K can be son or daughter. No idea. Then S is sister of K. So S is sister of K. Now if you see, S is aunt of M. So S sibling will be K. and K's child will be M. As simple as that. So S is aunt of M. So M's parent is K and K's sister is S. Parent's sister is called aunt, you can say, no problem. So total nagu 3 generations vachesai if you specifically observe. Moreover, here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people also have got. But tree is not yet complete. So that's why I have given you question in the red color. See, if L is married to J. So if L is married to J, then how is J related to G? So just choose ఒకసారి. How is J related to G? Answer ఏమొస్తుంది దీనికి? So G's partner is K and K's parent is J. Okay. So partner's parent, you can call it as father-in-law or you can call it as mother-in-law. No problem. Why? Because see, I don't know the gender of J. J can be male or female. So J's gender is unknown. So that's why my answer can be father-in-law or mother-in-law. If you look at the options, you can go with what? Option E, cannot be determined. Why? Because this is one such question where it is totally incomplete with respect to relations as well as gender also. Okay. Similarly, next question ki vellipotunnanu. Look at the next question. So this question comes from series. For this question, let me give you 1 minute of time. You just try and tell me what does your answer say. Quickly. What does the answer say for this particular question? Right. Option number D. Okay. Yeah. So look at this question. 485794362. 485794362. It is a 10-digit number. If 1 is added to each of the digit which is placed at even place, and 1 is subtracted from each digit which is placed in odd place, that means -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1, -1 plus 1 and -1 alternatively, right? So 4 minus 1 3, 8 plus 1 9, 5 minus 1 4, 7 plus 1 8, 9 minus 1 8, 4 plus 1 5, 3 minus 1 2, 6 plus 1 7, 2 minus 1 1. Okay. So entanta, what is the question he is asking? How many digits are repeating in the number thus formed? You can see that 8 is repeating. So that's why our answer will be option number C, 8. Simple. 8 okkate repeat avutundi. So the number 8 is only repeating all the time. So that's why this particular question answer will be C. Option number C, only 8. Now look at this particular question. So this question is one of the very important model which is purely based on sitting arrangement. So sitting arrangement, basically if you see linear arrangement, right? So see, 12 persons are seated in 2 parallel rows containing 6 persons in each row in such a way that there is an equal distance between adjacent persons. In the first row, A, B, C, D, E, F are seated and they are facing north. In the second row, P, Q, R, S, T, U are seated and all of them are facing south. Therefore, in the given sitting arrangement, each member seated in a row faces another member of the row. So if I take you to the blueprint, it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this is north row facing people and this is south row facing people. So the people who are in the first row, who are they? A, B, C, D, E, F. So A, B, C, D, E, F, and these guys are facing north. In the second row, P, Q, R, S, T, U. P, Q, R, S, T, U. These guys are facing south. Right? Now, look at the first point. E sits fourth right of B. Where E and B are present means simply I can say E and B are present in first row facing north. That means bottom row. Okay. So here you can see E is fourth right of B. So if I put B here, first right, second right, third right, fourth right, here it should be E. See, not necessary that this diagram, one more diagram also you will be getting. Just for your understanding purpose, let me take you to that as well. So B, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can put E. Then Q faces E. So Q faces E, Q faces E. So whatever the points we have got, based on that we will continue with respect to both the sort of possibilities. The number of persons sit to the left of S, sit to the left of Q is same as sit to the right of S. So to the left of S you can find one person, that means to the left of Q you can find one person, that means to the right of Q one person. Here to the left of Q no person, that means to the right of Q no person. Simple. Then F sits immediate left of D. So immediate left of D, who is present? F. So F and D are consecutive places. You can put here, here, or here, here. You are getting possibilities. Then A sits to the left of C. So A sits to the left of C and to the right of A. So N refers to the first person A. A sits to the right of F. So here he has given as right, that means it can be any right. Okay. For example, if I put F and D here, why? Because F and D are neighbors. To the right of F, A is present, but A is present to the left of C. If I put A here, there is no place to place C. So what I am doing is I am putting F, D here, right? So A is present to the right of F and the same person A is present to the left of C. Simple. Similarly, if I go for this point, F, D, if I put F and D here, right? A is present to the right of F, but A is present to the left of C. Do I have any other place? No place. So that means this possibility you can simply eliminate. So bottom row is totally finished. I have just left with the top row, right? So just see, P faces the one who is immediate neighbor of A. So immediate neighbor of A, E facing Q, no chance. Immediate neighbor of A, D. So D should face the person called P. Then U is only neighbor of Q. Only neighbor of Q means you can give in the right side, I mean extreme end. Why? Because if I put here U is neighbor of Q as well as P, but as the keyword only is present, there should be only one neighbor. Then if I go for the last point, R sits to the right of T. So you can give T here to the right of T, who is present? R. So this will be the final answer according to the given sort of question. So this possibility I have eliminated in the middle, no problem. Okay, but still, right? So similarly, let me take you to the next question. So look at the next question. What does the next question say? If all the numbers, this question comes from alphanumerical series. Alphanumeric series. If all the numbers are removed from the series, then which of the following will be 10th from left hand? So left hand starts with R and he is telling to ignore numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what should be the letter that I am concentrating on? Means simply I can say F. Option number B, answer is F. Here I am ignoring 8 and 9. Why? Because here he is telling to ignore the numbers. So that's why. Right? Nice. Very good. Similarly, look at this particular question which we have got from Silox. So what does this question say? Only a few home is picnic. Only a few, as I told, conditional sum. Some home is picnic. Some home is not picnic. No picnic is mystery. Okay, no picnic is mystery. All mystery is real. All mystery is real. So look at this particular question. What does your answer say? Some mystery are not picnic. See, no picnic is mystery or no mystery is picnic, both are same. Right? So here if you see, all mystery are not picnic. Similarly, some mystery are not picnic. So you can definitely say conclusion number 1 will be true. Similarly, if I go for the second one, all home being picnic is a possibility. See, some home are picnic and some home are not picnic. How can I say all home are picnic is possible? No chance. So that's why our answer for this particular question is only one follows. As simple as that. Right? Nice. Good. Similarly, look at this question based on Silox. Only a few strong is tough means some strong is tough, some strong is not tough. Only a few tough is dark means some tough is dark, some tough is not dark. Now look at the conclusion 1. Some strong is not dark. Strong and dark, we don't have some not connection, so you can say first conclusion will be false. Similarly, look at second. What does second say? No tough is strong. In between tough and strong, the relation is some. But here he has given as no. So some is different, no is different. That's why you can say this is also false. So what does your answer for this particular question? Means simply you can say neither one nor two follows. Or you can say both the conclusions does not follow. Simple, no problem. Right? Then let me take you to the last question, which is purely based on puzzle, specifically parameter based puzzle. Right? So this puzzle is very interesting. Just understand. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are going to watch movie in different months: Jan, April, May, June, July, August and December, but not necessarily in the same order. So in this particular question, I have got 2 parameters. Okay, one parameter is person and second parameter is month. Right? So here you can take fixed parameter as months based on the hierarchy. Right? So that is what I have given you in the table, which is presented in the right one. Right? F was going to watch a movie in a month which has 30 days. So we know that January is a month consisting of 31 days, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, October 31 and December 31. Right? None of these exactly. Now F is going to watch in a movie in a month which has 30 days. That means F can be in the month of April or June. So these are the 2 possibilities which you are getting. Right? So F can be in the month of April or F can be in the month of June. That's it. So let's continue with these 2 possibilities. There are 3 persons who are watching between F and C. So F 1, 2, 3. Here you can put C. F 1, 2, 3. C, no chance. F 1, 2, 3. Here you can put C. Then H watches the movie just before A. So just before A, H is watching. Okay, so continuously 2 places. Who is watching the movie before B? So who is watching the movie before B? A is watching before B. So before B, that means H, A, B will be one combination. So here he has given as before. Before means not necessary to be immediately, but just before means it should be immediately. The very 2 consecutive months. Simple. Right? Now B watches movie just before C. So just before C, B, just before C, B. Then H is watching the movie in a month which has maximum number of days but not in January. So based on this point you can go with these 2, H and A. So here you can put A, you can put H. No other chance. So here you can put A, here you can put H. Now if I go with respect to this possibility, right? So H, if I put A here, here it will be H. If I put A here, it will be H. H should be in 31 days. Maximum number of days means 31 days, but here it will be 30. So you can put here itself A, H. Simple. Finish. D is watching the movie in a month which has 30 days. So here if you see 30 days, 31, 31, 31, there is no 30. So you can just simply eliminate this possibility. Now 30 days means here you can give in the month of April. Simple. Similarly, if I go for the last one, G is watching the movie after D. So after D, who is watching? G is watching. Now if you see, only one person is left. Who is that? A, B, C, D, E is missing. So here you can put E. Right? In this manner, we can fill off this particular puzzle within the time frame based on the given time slot. Okay? So that's all for today. I'm ending the session with respect to this particular example. Right? So again, we'll continue the session with respect to good few examples in tomorrow's session. Right? So meanwhile, keep subscribing our channel and try to solve these examples from your perspective, such that you can get maximum sort of marks in this particular section called reasoning. Right? So thank you everyone. Again, we'll continue the session in the next class. Thank you.